don't know. I guess she couldn't find it because she kept showing up from the opposite direction.
The gods have never been mad at anyone from our family. Knock on wood. Hop on one foot. Slap a Jorgensen.
If I were Thor, I would want a giant statue of myself, Snotlout, as Thor.
You do know we're trying to make him happy.
Exactly. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
I think I just threw up in my mouth.
Actually, that's not a bad idea.
It's not an idea, it's a reflex.
No, what? No, I mean the statue.
There I go again.
No, not Snotlout. Thor.
BERK has never given Thor a statue.
Well, then it's high time we did. Ouch! Ow! Great job. One issue. Thor's knee bends the other way. You know, like a knee on a person. What are you doing?
I'm making Thor's pants. I hope they're not too tight. I hate it when my pants are too tight. I feel so bloated.
Okay, guys, we better start welding these pieces together. Yeah, I really think Thor's gonna like this.
It is?
Attention! Attention, everyone! Okay, so, I know we're not exactly Thor's favorite people right now, but I am confident that this beautiful statue will go a long way toward getting us back in his good graces. So, without further ado...
Well done! Thor will appreciate this tribute, and will smile upon us once again.
You really think this is enough to appease the mighty Thor, while you allow a night fury in your midst? You fools! All of you!
Unbelievable. Even more lightning than the last storm.
I don't understand. We gave Thor a giant statue.
It was a gallant effort, son, but it looks as though this is not what Thor wanted.
Garber, what are you doing?
I love Toothless. I'm just erring on the side of caution.
Hey, don't worry, bud. I'm not gonna let anything happen to you. No matter what some people think.
I know you're scared, girl. If you want to hold me, that's what I'm here for.